so today we're going to try and teach Isabella to cook.
Okay.
Which is, well, I'll be the judge of that. So if you put a little bit of oil just in the bottom of that pan, get your lentils on. Chuck those in the pan. These have been soaking overnight. You don't have to soak them, but they do take longer to cook. Cut up your sweet potato because we need to get that into roast. So I don't know what you're doing.
I'm cutting it.
So square it up, yeah?
Ah.
So the outside we will use as part of the sauce to thicken it.
I've never done that before. I've never squared up with sweet potato.
Every day's a school day.
It is.
Right, a little bit of oil, just enough to coat it. So you just want to toss it in the oil. And then we'll put that in the oven to roast. Can you grate up the ginger and garlic?
I always get ginger and then forget that I have it.
Right. Is that a little story for us? What are you doing?
What? I think you said
Right.
grate it and I'm trying to grate. Oh!
So we've also got coconut milk, lime juice, so a little bit of veg stock, a general curry powder. We've got white rice today, but I would recommend using brown rice instead. It takes a little bit longer to cook, but I think it's got a nice nutty flavour to it. Chop up the chilli.
Is it really spicy? I'm not very good at spice.
Well, try a little bit, then you'll know how hot it is.
Okay.
What have you done?
I want just a little bit.
Okay, that looks like a Christmas decoration. Is it hot?
No.
No, so there you go, you're all right. So we've got our lentils ticking over, a pan on for our rice, our sweet potatoes roasting in the oven, and we've caramelised our onions. Chuck in your garlic and ginger
Do you cook at home?
every day.
Do you cook at work and then you go cook?
Yes.
As well?
Yes, my wife can't cook. I say can't cook, it's more like she won't cook.
I mean, if I had a chef or husband, I'd be like, oh, I can't cook either.
Right, do you want to throw in your chilli?
Yes.
Chuck in your tomatoes. We're going to put in your cardamom, star anise and a clove. A little bit of veg stock that's there. You chuck in a little bit of water now.
How much is a little bit?
Just enough to cover those tomatoes. So obviously we've got our stock already in there. Now chuck in your sweet potatoes, and then we're going to bring it up to the boil and then just gently simmer it
Lime juice.
at the end. That's to season.
Okay.
Very eager.
Yum, yum, yum.
You can wash your rice first to help remove some of the starch and sticking together.
Is it true that you do 1 cup of rice to 2 cups of water?
I just do a pan of water and then add in as much rice as I need.
Does that not make it go like rice pudding if you add too much water?
You overcook it.
Oh.
Right, do you want to put the coconut milk in now?
Yes.
Can you not cover me in it?
It kind of smells a bit like semolina. Semolina. The rice, I think.
No. Okay, so do you want to take your rice off now and drain it?
Okay.
Right, do you want to blend the sauce? So throw in the rest of your coriander now. I would recommend leaning it to one side when you do it so you don't have an explosion. Right, that should do. Do you want to grab a couple of spoons? We'll try a bit before we season it.
Oh, that's really hot.
So if you just add in a little bit of lime juice and salt.
You know, this is really simple stuff, like testing it before you add more, but I just don't think of it when I like cook and just like shove it all in. More lime?
Do you want it more limey?
Yes.
Go on
Well,
then.
it's your lunch, so.
Finish it off, chuck your lentils in and your roasted sweet potato. There we go, that's your roasted sweet potato and queen lentil curry.
Yeah. Thanks for watching another Isabella and Luke How to Cook special. Make sure to tune in next week, same time. we're not doing another one, but thanks for watching.
Backed by popular demand.
Hopefully people watch this. This would be so sad if no one watches it afterwards.
It might be sad if they do watch it.
Yeah, true.